folks, we're doing Don't Speak by No Doubt in this one, standard tuning, and I'm using the Lead 100 Gold from Ghost Note Audio. Do go check out the demo if you haven't already. I think it's one of the absolute best Marshall in a boxes you can get, and at the moment it's only 130 quid, and it's a local small business, one-man band type thing. So I'm using both channels. So for the first one, and this, listen to my amp, right? We have this. Great, right? But with the clean channel on this pedal, has a bunch of chime, which is really close to the original, I think. And then I'm using the second channel for like the chorus and stuff. Lovely tone. Anyway, let's crack on with the first riff. You could play this with plectrum or with fingers if you like. I'm going to go with fingers, to be honest, because I like it. So we've got a C major shape, and you're just going to be playing the B, G and D string, okay, with this pattern. Okay, pretty straightforward. And then you're going to just move about into different chord shapes, right? So you do 2 of those bars, 2 of those first, then the verse comes in and it starts with the C minor. So we have, then we go to G minor, okay, just for 2 beats, and then you slide down to the F minor. So that again. And you'll note a little incidental slide as you go between the 2 chords. Here we're at B flat, like that. Back to G minor, and you might get a little hammer on when you go. That might happen. If it does, cool. Back to the F minor, B flat. Okay, and this part repeats around. Nice long part. I'm not going to go through it again because you know all the bits, they're just in a subtly different order. But this part repeats then. You go back to the C minor. Second time you go up here though. Okay. So that is E flat, B flat, C. Lots of cool chords changes in this actually. And there's an acoustic all the way through this as well, so you could play this whole thing on an acoustic if you wanted. So the chorus goes like this. That's one time round, okay? The second time round, it branches off into... You go C sharp, D sharp, right? Or D flat, E flat, whichever you prefer. So, the rhythm goes down, up, whack, whack. And that's when you're moving to the different chords that can be played, right? Same rhythm right the way through. So chords mostly changing once every 2 beats, and we've got F minor. This is A sharp minor or B flat minor. B flat, D sharp or E flat, C, A sharp minor, C, back to F minor, then we go, yeah, those 2 chords, A sharp minor, C. And the second time you branch off into this with those 2 power chords, right? Again, C sharp and D sharp. So then back in, And I'd keep the slightly dirty tone. And you can just play that bit of the verse, because you then go into chords, okay, and you're going to play this. And watch the change, because it comes in on the 2 and. So 2, 3, 4. Like that. Then we go into this part. Okay, so a slight difference in rhythm right at the end. So we've got a C minor this time to a G minor. F minor to A sharp or B flat. D sharp or E flat. Back to that A sharp. And then up to C. Down, 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 down. Okay, then you go into the second chorus. Same deal as before, basically. Same as before, right? But the second time round we do some more chords coming up here. There's a little turnaround section where we have like that. So there we're just going from C sharp to G sharp, both major, and then B to F sharp major. And the rhythm is down, down, whack, up, up, down, up, whack. Okay. And then we've got this cool part which goes. You could play this a few different ways, right? Because there's 2 guitar parts. You know, one might just be playing, and the other one's playing whatever. But I think combining them is nice. So we have. So I would finger this like this. Then you put your first finger on the 4th fret. And then here, you can do that if you want. So you've got this kind of diminished thing going on, right? Or you could just play, what's that, 6, 7, 8. So that's pretty easy. Okay, and then we have great chords, aren't they? So that is just G sharp major, sus 4 to G sharp major. Now we're into the solo, probably the most recognisable bit of the tune apart from the intro. And behind it, the rhythm's playing this. So we have down, down, up, whack, change with an upstroke. Up, 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 down, up. And the last 2 are 2 whacks as you change to the next chord. Like that. You play the whole thing around 3 times. You could play the acoustic way around, which is, I think, a C minor here. And then the, you know, the G minor's played up here, right? So you could move the chords around if you want. And then you could go to the F minor here. And then you could play the B flat here. Up to you. You go around that 3 times anyway. And then the 3rd time you go up to the G minor. So a little turnaround there is G minor, C minor, F minor. Same rhythm though, okay? Then we go into the solo. 3, 4, 1. It's the first part. So we've got this. You got that little slide from the 6 to 8 there, okay? Second phrase goes 3, 4, 1. So the first part's the same. This time they're a little rake, which is, it's like a quick strum, but you don't leave it ringing out. So you mute the strings as soon as you play them, right? By taking your fingers off. Okay, and then you get this. Next part's up here. And we're going to play this. 3, 4, 1. Again. So just watch out, there's a few little triplets thrown in there, okay? First one. And we have this. Keep going. Triplet. And we finish off with this. 3, 4, 1. Little sort of, almost a trill there really. But you got this. Another triplet there. One more time. Like that. Then we're into the intro part again. But then that little build up, right? So there you're just going F to A sharp or B flat. And that's pretty much it. You do the chorus again and it fades out, and you do this about 8 times. So and you're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. It's good fun. See you soon.